Okay, just like the indoor air handler video you saw earlier, you see these in order, the same closet issues with the ventilation for the water heater to make up, okay, that's the same. Now, on the water heater and on the indoor air handler, we're going to commingle a little more. Is both of our gas supply lines do not have sediment traps. I didn't say that in the video for the indoor air handler, but you know, better late than never. It's in the report. It's in the report. So this is our water heater. It's 40 gallons. It's 15 years old. It was manufactured 15 years ago. So water heaters last about 10 years in this part of the country. Gas tank water heaters last about 10 years. So this guy's given just about everything he was going to give. This guy's given more than he was ever expected to give. This guy's also given more than he's ever expected to give. Okay, we do not have a safety pan. We do have a care and use manual. Our gas connector, it's not gray coated like this one. It's even worse. It's just bare brass connector. Neither one of them has sediment traps. Okay? 40 gallons. Our T&P and our water supply lines are not insulated. Our T&P actually has negative pitch. So water can roll back, cause it to corrode, those kinds of things, steam. It has more than 5 90-degree bends. It shouldn't have more than 5 90-degree bends. And our flue does not have a thimble. It's been improperly sealed with tape and electrical tape in the attic. It's been improperly sealed. So that's about it in most regards. We have a bonding wire for our electrical coming in here. And it's big old aluminum wire, so we should have antioxidant paste on that. We do not have antioxidant paste on our aluminum connection, our aluminum bonding in the water heater closet. That's for the electrical section. Sediment trap, that's for the HVAC section. But for the water heater, no safety pan, brass connector, no gas sediment trap. Automatic ignition. 15 years old. No insulation on the temperature pressure relief valve. They're supposed to be replaced about every 3 years. No insulation on the water supplies. Temperature pressure relief valve has negative pitch. It does not terminate. It should have an air vacuum breaker in the same room as the water heater. I didn't mention that already, but I'm mentioning it now. It should have a vacuum breaker. Okay, it doesn't have that. It's got more than 5 90-degree bends. It's not insulated. Not insulated, not insulated. Water supply lines are not insulated. Tape improperly installed on the flue, and we're missing our thimble. If any of this nonsense humors you, or maybe you learned something today, well then there's a like button right there. And if you're suffering from insomnia, there's a subscribe button right there. That ought to do it.